My name is Seti and welcome back to another tips and tricks with AppsEvents and Acer. AppsEvents.com, the place for you to find lots of tips and tricks that you can use in your classroom. So let's add another one to that. In today's video, we're going to jump back into Gmail, and today I'm going to look at snoozing and starring messages and have a quick look at why you might choose to do this. So let's get started. Here in my inbox, I'm going to open up this first email. This was sent to me. It's a question and I have to deal with this. I just don't want to do it right now, or I haven't got the time for it. It's not urgent, but it does need to be dealt with. So what you can do is you can bounce this message back to yourself. You can snooze it, and then it is simply going to disappear from your inbox and reappear at a later time. Here in this message, you see I have opened it. At the top, we have that little icon that looks like a clock. That is the snooze button. So when you click on that, you get the options to snooze it till tomorrow, next week, next weekend, or you can select a custom date and time. I'm going to select tomorrow, Monday at 8 in the morning. And as soon as I click on that, that has now disappeared and it's been snoozed. Now we can always find our snoozed messages if we do have a bit of extra time, maybe we want to deal with them ahead of time. Here on the left-hand side, you will find there is a snoozed option. When you click on that, you see all the snoozed messages. They will reappear as unread in your inbox at the time that you have set. You can see that here on the right-hand side when this will happen. Another way of dealing with emails is by starring them. So here, for example, we have this email. We can open it, some information on that course. Okay, I need to follow up. Let's just temporarily assign a star label to this. We can click on this star here. This will now show up in the starred folder. This is a label, but you can look at it as a temporary label. This is a label you add, you deal with it, and then it is removed. It's not like the other labels that we have set up in our Gmail. We have a temporary star. We can add more than one star. So as you can see here now, I just have this star option, but in my settings, when I go to settings, see all settings, as I scroll down, I have the option to change the available stars here. I can use multiple colors. I can use different icons. I can simply drag these up and then they become available for use in your inbox. Do remember, you always have to click on Save Changes whenever you've made changes. You can then change that star to be any of these other stars available. So you can see here as I click through these, I will cycle through the different stars. Now I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This was another tips and tricks with AppsEvents and Acer. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.